The base builder game Oxygen Not Included provides a fascinating look into an alien ecosystem constructed by the designers of game studio Klei Entertainment. Among the building blocks of the biospheres generated in this game are critters, animals found roaming the asteroids which your duplicants are colonizing, or synthesized from the printing portal. Today, we'll be shedding light on the shine bug. The shine bug is a lightbulb-shaped critter which can be found floating around open areas in temperate environments in the game. Their main benefit to duplicants is that they give off light, which increases the decor stat around them, making the environment more pleasant and reducing the colonist's stress. The light emitted by shine bugs differs from light given off by light bulbs or other power-dependent sources in the game because it does not give off heat. The ability for a biological organism to generate light is called bioluminescence, and later in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at several real-world organisms which have this ability and how they use it. Shine bugs consume phosphate. Phosphates in the real world are a family of ores commonly found in sedimentary rock. Phosphates contain the chemical element phosphorus. Organisms use phosphorus for many essential functions, including enzyme activation, gene transcription, and building bones and teeth. In this context, phosphorus is interesting to us because it is chemiluminescent. It gives off light when exposed to oxygen. Just like the shine bug, phosphorus does not give off heat when emitting light this way. The consumption of phosphate by shine bugs implies that the mechanism of their light generation is the phosphorus in their diet. Currently, most critters in Oxygen Not Included, including shine bugs, do not require any particular breathable atmosphere to survive, but it would be interesting to see a requirement for shine bugs to have oxygen in order to give off light included in a future update. Shine bugs are attracted to light sources, and the database entry for shine bugs in Oxygen Not Included specifies that they emit a soft light in hopes of attracting more of their kind for company. One well-known real-world corollary to this behavior is fireflies, which contain a light-emitting compound called firefly luciferin. Fireflies are able to control whether or not they give off light, and they create flashing patterns by controlling whether or not oxygen is flowing into the light-producing organ in their abdomen, called a lantern. Unlike fireflies, however, shine bugs shine constantly, so they do not seem to have this sort of control. One real-life fun effect that I think is neat is that females of the firefly genus Photurus mimic mating flashing patterns of other species to attract and prey on unwitting males of those species as meals. In turn, males of the Photurus genus also mimic the flashing patterns of other species' males, either for the same purpose or to attract Photurus females who are looking for a snack. Shine bugs reproduce relatively quickly, with tame individuals laying eggs every 900 seconds if properly provided for. Although shine nymph eggs do not give off light in the game, there is a real-life bioluminescent species eggs that do. This is Quantula striala, the only known bioluminescent land snail. Quantula striala produces a faint greenish light from what's called their organ of Haneda, named after the researcher Dr. Yatta Haneda, who discovered the snail's bioluminescence in 1942. Their eggs glow continuously, and adult Quantula striala snails produce dim flashes of light while moving. Some species of firefly eggs and larvae also glow. Emission of light from shine nymph eggs would be an interesting addition to future updates of Oxygen Not Included. There are several differently colored versions of shine bugs in the game, such as the purple royal bug, the pink coral bug, and the blue azure bug, which radiate slightly different hues of light. This is another correlation with real-life fireflies. While most fireflies give off a yellow-green light, some species, such as Phoscis reticulata, also known as the blue ghost firefly of the eastern United States, give off different colors of light, such as bluish-white. Bioluminescence is useful to some real-life animals as a way to deter predators from eating them. This is known as aposematism. The glow of firefly larvae and bioluminescent millipedes has been shown to consistently deter predators such as mice, which would otherwise feed on them. One might think that an animal glowing would make it more prone to being eaten, since it makes the animal easier to spot, but the opposite seems to be true. In the case of the bioluminescent millipedes, much like poisonous frogs are brightly colored, the millipedes' glow functions as a signal of their toxicity, as they secrete cyanide. Although some critters in Oxygen Not Included will eat meat, There is currently no predation mechanic in the game. It would be neat if in a future update, critters were able to attack and prey on one another. This concludes our look into the biology of shine bugs and their real-life inspirations. If it brightened your day, press the like button, and look for more examinations of oxygen not included critters to come. Thank you for watching.